Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Aniket Vishwakarma, and today in this video I'll be doing a review of this Lavie Sport Backpack which I got from Flipkart, guys. And you'll be shocked, guys, because I got this backpack for just 237 rupees in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, guys. As you can see in the bill, it is 237 rupees, and this is a Lavie Sport Backpack. So, and the real MRP of this is around 2899 rupees. I'll be showing in the video later. So I'll be showing all the quality, how is the quality of this backpack and everything, guys. So before starting the video, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all my videos regularly. So let's start the video, guys, now. So guys, as you can see in the front, you can see the backpack, something looks like this, and that Lavie branding is over here, and also over here Lavie Sport branding is there. From the back side, as you can see, it looks something like this. So before going inside the bag and outside the bag and all, let me show you what you get in this thing. So as you can see, it says this all features it has. It's lightweight and all. It's like waterproof and all. And over here it has also 12 months warranty. There's 1 year. And over here you can see some more features of it. You can just check out. And the real MRP listed around this is around it's like 2008.99, as you can see. Yeah, now we'll be able to see, and I have got for just 237 rupees, so that's really good because it was in high discount, guys. And let me show you what you get in this bag and all. So firstly, it is like a 34 liters backpack, so it's really good and it's really big also. It can be used by school children and all, so it can carry much books. And it's not a laptop bag, guys, so you don't have a laptop sleeve. And you get like two bottle holder, as you can see, from here also and here also. So that is really good. And this has 4 zips, guys. As you can see, this is the first zip, and from here you get the second zip, this thing, and this is the third zip. Sorry, guys, it's over here. And the last zip you get over here, guys. So you get 3 zips, and this is the first compartment, guys, as you can see. So you can keep some small things and all. As you can see, it's like very small, but not that small also, guys. You can just keep something and all, like pens and all, small diary and all. You can keep over here. And in the second compartment, as you can see, you get lot of space and all. As you can see, you get lot of space, guys. So as you can see, you get like this and all. You can keep small things and all over here. You can keep small diaries and all, like mobile phone if you want, like power bank, and also you can keep over here. And it is like very big also, as you can see. Let me show you. Yeah. And in the second slot, let me show you. Let me close this one first. And in the second slot, as you can see, you get like full space, guys, as you can see. Let me show you clearly. Yeah, I'll be able to see now. Yeah, so it's really big, guys, as you can see. And in the last slot you get like this, guys. So this is full last one, and some silica gels for keeping all the water out. And this is the last compartment, guys. So it's really good, guys. It's really big also, so it can be used like for everything, so it's good. And over here they have told like it's designed by Lavie and everything. And over this thing, the straps are good, guys. It is of good this thing padding also, so you can just have good comfortable shoulder this thing. And over here also it's really good, guys. It says it has 10 padding, but it's okay, guys. It is average, guys, so it's good, not that bad also. And this is the handle, as you can see. So it's good, guys. Handle also, it looks good, guys. And the metal what they've used, guys, it's really good, guys, because this is waterproof. So in the rain, if you get wet, this water won't go inside up to some extent. So it's really good, guys. And the zip quality is also really good, guys. As you can see, it looks good. If I do, it's smooth also, guys. So it looks like durable. And for this thing they have given some keychain type, as you can see. So it looks good. And for this thing all, it's like normal one, but zip quality is really good, guys. As you can see, it does its job properly. As you can see, it's very smooth. I don't have to put much pressure and all. It locks it easily. It looks good, guys. So the quality is really good, guys, for what price I have got, because this thing is for just for 237 rupees in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. I have also bought one more bag. Shall be doing one more review for that one, so please be stay tuned for that one. And over here, as you can see, guys, this is the strap, you can see. So you can just extend so much, as you can see. So it has that one also. And this plastic is also average quality, guys. I will not say up to the mark that much. As you can see, let me show it properly. As you can see, so it's good. But for looking, the back is really good looking, good, guys. As you can see, it looks so good and elegant. Doesn't look like cheap and all, and it's of good quality also. So I like the backpack, guys. So if you like the backpack, then please do comment in the comment section. And what else do you like about this backpack, then please do comment. And if you have bought this backpack in the big billion days, then tell the MRP for how much I've got, so we can just compare for how much you have got and all in that sale. So guys, this is all for the video, guys. Hope you like the video. And if you want to check out this item, then you can just check out in the links given in the description. You can just check out from there, guys. So this is all for the video, guys. So hope you like the video. Then if you like the video, then please do hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button to get all my videos regularly, guys. So take care and bye bye.